So I want to do a very interesting study. I want to go through news because I think I've just figured out how to trade news. So I want to go through news and see what I might have caught if I just chose to trade news. So I'll start with Euro news. On Monday, there was news at 9 and 10 in Euro. Let me see how one might have caught news on Monday. So this is second here. This is 9. This is when the news came out, and the background number that we have here is 1.19. The breakdown number that is relevant in Euro USD is 1.19. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is this cannot close at noon. So there was some movement, but I don't like it. I want something to come off a big round number. That's what I want. So Euro USD is off. Euro USD is off. Let me try Euro JPY, and then I'll go to Euro NZD, and then Euro CAD, and then what else? Euro CHF, and then is there anyone missing? Euro out, Euro USD, JPY, NZD, CAD, CHF. Okay, another one will come along the way. Okay, Euro out, yes, Euro out. So let me now go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, okay. Okay, today is a second is where this is second here, second at noon, second 8 o'clock. Okay, here this is just before the Asian the Asian closes here. So let me find out a big round number in this area. This is 130 area, so I have to try 130 o'clock and see where it goes. No, I don't like that. Let me try 131. That should be very far. No, that's very far. So we have 130 here. Let me see, 130, and then this is when the news broke out here. What okay, this is 130. Now this is interesting because this is 8 o'clock. This is 130. Okay, I think this was nothing because okay, all Europeans seems to have been bearish on that day. So avoid this as well. Euro NZD. Again, second should be somewhere here. This is okay. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. This is when the Asian box closed. Yeah, number here will be very lucky. This is 1.70. Now with okay, apart from GBP pairs, I've just learned that all other pairs, 50s become very important. You don't expect a 50 pip move, stop and move, or normal move in. I mean that is very little in other pairs, but with euros, I mean with GBPs, you can expect. I want to stick to 00s, level 00s only, but with euros, 50s are also fine. So let me mark this. I like this because this is 8 o'clock. This is when the Asian box closed. A few minutes before the news. This was a terrible opportunity. So let me take Euro and see. Let me go down to 15-minute time frame to try and figure out how wine might have got this one. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, so we have this big round number. And where did the news break out? It's here, because we had more news at 10:30. Okay, 10:30 we had more news. So here we go. This is 10:30. We are here. Then okay, 10:30. 10:30 is here. We had news in euro until 11. Until 11. Yeah. This is 11. Now, okay, they use the news definitely to push price into this big round number here for setting off very well at 14 o'clock hours. Okay. So that is the first success. Let me go to Eurocard now. That's another euro there. Let me go to Eurocard. Because this is not the best case scenario. This is Eurocard. Yes. Okay. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. Here. Let me see for the big round number. This is 147 and the 5. Got 148. Yeah, this is very, very lovely. Yeah, this is my window of opportunity. I think this is even better than the previous example. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning. Let me go to 15-minute time frame. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. So this is when the news broke out. How this is strong support. So we are banking on this, not breaking this big round number here. Compare this with the euro NZD. Okay, look at this. So this is 11:30 in euro NZD. This is 9:45. Yeah, we would buy this candle. Yeah. Put stop loss here for massive. But I think the effect of this news was minimal. Let me go to euro switches. So what the news did is to push price into this area. If it's a big round number, it matters to us. 0.1.0764. And say 0.75 and C. 0.08. That's too far. So this one is off. Okay, and then lastly, euro AUD. See, 1.6137615. Yeah, this was a very, very, very. Now this is what I really love. This is what I really love, because look at this. Pushing up. This is 8 o'clock. No, this is 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. And then this kind of closed at noon. Here, closed at noon. Still no confirmation for trade. This one sealed the fate of bulls. 15-minute time frame quickly. Okay. Probably taking this would have been a challenge, but after this kind of closed, I would have just sold it. But the effect of this news was minimal. Fair to say that. Okay. Okay, now let me go to on the same day. Let me go to USD pairs at 17 o'clock in the evening. So I'll go back to okay. Same day. This is a second here. Still minimum effect. Let's see, because we still have 1.19 here. I don't see a serious retest of that level. Let me put it here. Not test yet. So as this, and we go to USD, then we go to out. Second is here. Let me see if you have any big round number in this area. 0.7334. This is wonderful because okay, this is 8 o'clock in the morning. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, okay? And then this is noon. This is noon. This kind of confirms that we're going up into this zone here. This kind of confirms that. So we do it by during when the news break out, and this is we closed during New York. 15 minutes. Second and second. This is okay. Look at this. Well, I don't really see how these news have anything seriously in this pair because guys, okay, this is when the news broke out. Yeah, this is when the news broke out. Okay, so I also think that I think these news were bearish because let me take a look at USD on the same day. Is here, okay? So nothing else in now USD. EU off, AU off. Let me check NZD H4. Here we go. This is a second here. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. 0.6959. 0.695. Okay. So this is we have this nice rejection here. Okay, at 8 o'clock in the morning. Let me go to 15 time frame again. Nothing. This is, I know this is when the news broke out here. So the news are bearish, but we wanted them to come off a big down number. So NZD/USD is also off. I'll check gold. And then I'll check GBP/USD. And then USD/JPY. And then USD CAD. And then USD CHF. Okay. So my next candidate is a gold. H4, of course. A second. This is second. Yeah. Yeah, this is automatically off, but let me just check. Let me check. I think it's off. This one is off. Let me go to something of a big round number. That's very important. This is a okay, wait a second. Yeah. Second, yes. Let me try this. Which one number do we have here? 9.71. Yes, quarterly are good, but then I don't want a quarterly. That's too low. They're not strong enough. Okay, if we say that they had rejected one level 10, which is very far away, cool, but it's not particularly the best. So that one is also yes, the card. Card. Yeah. But there's something here. 2, 4. 4, 5. This one is cool. Now, okay. Okay, I think we have a nice candidate here. Okay, so this is this candle which closed on Friday confirmed that you can, yeah, that is 8 pips. Okay, and then this, okay, this candle, this was 8 o'clock in the morning. This closed at noon. This one closed during New York. We have a very, very good candidate in this card. Okay, here we go. This is just where did the news come out? This is 16:30, 16:45, 17 o'clock. News come out. You don't need to wait for the news when you have this nice setup. You just take a buy, you put a stop loss here. So our candidate would be with the card for this news. Because why? Because you see clear rejection of a big round number just before news. So let me check your CHF just for the sake of learning. Okay, this is no, nothing here because see, there should be news which put here. So I'm going to forget about it. Okay, so let me go to Tuesday. Tuesday had Euro news during 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'll go back to Euro. That is, no, this is Fed. Again, nothing in USD. What about Euro? JPY. This is second. This. Okay. Nothing also. This is third, and the way it's far from the big round number, so I passed that. Okay, about Euro. This is the second, third, 8 o'clock in the morning. me try 1.70. Let's see. Okay. Now I think I like this because this kind of confirms that we are going down. And then you have this 8 o'clock candle. And then the news broke out in this candle here. Definitely they used the news to push price a resistance. When did the news break out? Here, 10:15 here. Okay, so they pushed the price up, 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 up. And then during New York, they sold off. So once you see news coming out, you have to be quick to figure out how the news might affect the price. And then let me go to Eurocard. Eurocard. Eurocard H4. So this is a third, second. This is third now. Which means that round number would be potential resistance rather than potential support. 1.49. Okay, let's see how this will react. Okay, now this is again we have them using the news which broke out in this candle here, not in this one, to push price into this big round number. Yeah, so you would have sold this during New York, which is natural, of course. So what the news did in this case is to push price in. That's it. That's it, guys. Euro CHF, let me check Euro CHF. Okay. This is second. This is third. News broke out in this. And this. No, not that. This one. This is where the news broke out. What's happened after that? Yeah. Now, okay, this is, wait, okay, here. This news broke out. This is the news candle. Very interesting. Okay, let me find, see if there's a big round number in this area. 50s, level 50s. Say, yeah, this is so cool, guys. This is so cool because we'll see. So you would during London, you would sell Euro CHF, and then during New York, you sell Eurocard and Euro NZD. That's it. That's it. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So this is yeah. So this is when the news broke out in this candle here, 10 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. So if you're not patient, you would sell, put your stop loss here, put your take profit somewhere here. Okay. Otherwise, you wait for a pullback here and get even a tighter stop loss. And then put your take profit here. Let me see how we would have a realistic profit target. Let me go to daily time frame to see that. Looking left, which level do we have on the left hand side? We have a level here. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. And in addition to that, the second is told you clearly that they are coming down into this area. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Okay. Let me go to Euro AUD now. Price action is the magic, and then if you know how to use the round numbers correctly, you'll not need to go to change time frames too much. Once you see confirmation in the high time frame, because okay, look at this. This kind of goes up, and then you have this. It's just before London, so you can use H1 for example. H1 here. Look at this. This candle confirms that they're going down. You can also use this one. This candle closed at 11 o'clock after the news. You wait for pullback, you sell. That's it. And then I've spotted a sell. This candle confirms that they'll come come down into this area here on when the new week begins, because it has closed beyond this big round number. So just look for retracement and then you sell. That's it. Just simple. Let me go to Euro. H4, of course. The date is the 3rd, have said. Okay, so this is second, third. Okay, and then here 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Let's see. 1 o'clock. Guys, what else do you want in the market? What else do you want the market to give you? Look at this, guys. This candle closed just before the news. What is it telling you? It is telling you that players are in total control. So what the news will do is to push price back into this strong resistance. That's it. And in fact, I mean, this is the best for me. I'm throwing away all other Europeans. I'm sticking to this. This candle is telling me everything, clearly showing me that price is coming here. What else do you want the market to give you? This is 123 pips. Guys, look at this. This candle, it closed at 8 o'clock in the morning, GMT +3. So you know that the news and what happened actually is that the news, here, look at this. When did the news break out? This is where, okay, this was the news candle here. This is where the news broke out. And then they pushed up, using the news to push price into the big round number. And then during New York here, you have a very nice sell. Very nice sell. That's it, guys. Euro AUD was the best. Let me go to another day. On Wednesday, we had news during Asia, which I don't want to look at because I never trade Asia. And then we had the news at 12 o'clock in Euro. Again, Euro. Guys, let me start with Euro AUD. Okay, this is price has pushed up now. This is the date is 4th. Where is 4th? It's here. And we are bearish, remember? Let me change. Let me find another number here. This is 615. 605. No, 6 is 6. Okay, no. 6. Guys, look at this. Look at this free money. Look at this free money because news broke out at 12 o'clock. Retail sales, 12 o'clock. This candle closed at 8 in the morning. And it has confirmed that the main move is down, no matter what the market tells you, okay? And then this candle, it closed out at noon, just before the news breakout, okay? What are they going to use the news for? Pushing price back into the big round number, okay? That's it. That is it, guys. So look at this. This is the 4th, okay, here. Okay, here. This is when the news broke out. Here, they used the news to push price into the big round number before selling. Yeah. Of course, the timing is not perfect, but well, that is what the market gave us on that day. So even if you chose to buy here, you know that they are going into the wall. That's it. What else did we have? We had a lot of news during New York. Okay, no, I've not gone through other Europeans. Let me go to EURUSD. I think EURUSD had nothing because EURUSD reacted during US news. Let me go to EURUJTY. date is 4th, and at 12 o'clock. This is 3rd. Now this is okay. This is 1:30. This is let me say 1:29 and see. Let me say 1:29, 50. Okay, the date is 4th. This is 3rd. This is 4th now. Okay. This bullish candle has not closed beyond the big round number. So, and this one was a push down. This one is not closed beyond the big round number, but it is a confirmation that we might be going up beyond the go. I mean, about the big round number. The problem with trading it is that look at what they did in the following candle. So this one is not a confirmation yet. And then this is when the news broke out. Okay. This is when the news broke out. Of course, this very new, but definitely this one is off. Let me go to red ZD. The date I've said is 4th. This is 3rd. This is 4th. This is in this candle. And the news broke out. So let me push this line down. Although I think trading this pair wouldn't be advisable anymore because it has run out of steam already. So let me just pass it. Let me go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is the candle. This is the pair that we should have traded using the news. The best. And the IPs in the back. The news broke out in this candle. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes. This is when the news broke out here. No, here, okay? Here, actually, here. So, okay, if you are too greedy, you could, okay, because this is level 50, by the way. This is level 50. Yes, this was free money because you would buy this. Go back. Okay. So you would buy. Okay, look at this. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you have this candle. This candle closed at noon, just before the news. Okay. Now, after the date is closed, it is confirming that the bears have failed to break this big ground. Okay. Where are they going back to? They are going back to 1.49. Go back. Now go down to 15 minutes. Guys, this is 11 o'clock, 11:15. Here, 11:45. This is 12 o'clock. News breakout. You buy, you put your stop loss here, you put your take profit here. That's it. Let us learn how to trade simply. This is how to trade simply. In fact, I don't need the down move. Here, I don't need this. I don't need this. Take powerful trades, 2 to 3 in a week, you're done, guys. EuroCAD was the best, okay? And in fact, I want to trade just news. So I just look at the setup and then choose which one is the best. Okay. Let me go to Euro CHF now. Must learn to leave market makers wondering what is happening. Because we have wondered for so long. Now it's their turn to wonder, start wondering what is happening. This is 4th. Moved here. So I'm just going to pass it. Let me go to Euro AD. Now here, this one has also moved too much. I think I have gone through this because it has already moved too much. Okay. And then on the same day, in the evening, we had a US news. So I'm going back to USD. So you can choose, for example, okay, you see concentration is difficult. It's difficult to, I mean, concentration is a very scarce commodity. So what you may choose to do is to say that I'll only trade US news. That's it. I'll not bother with Euro news, or I'll just look at Euro news. That's it. Okay. Let me now go to New York, Euro USD now. Okay, now Euro USD on the 4th again. This is the 4th. This is the 4th at 8 o'clock. I mean, at noon here. Guys, look at this. Please peel your eyes. Peel your eyes, please. This candle closed at 16 o'clock. The news broke out in this candle. The news broke out in this candle. What are they using the news for? Simply pushing price into this big round number before a sell-off. Guys, this here, this is the date is the 4th, of course. Here, look at this. Here, so everything which was happening, this is when the news broke out here. This is a 15.15. Yeah, this is when the news broke out, pushing price into the big round number before a sell-off. And that's what they did. Why didn't it continue with any other pair? Okay, just for the sake of learning, let me go to again. We go to 5th. Yeah, this is no the 4th. The 4th, sorry. 4th, yeah, 4th. Here, look at this. Guys, look at this now. Okay, there is a big round number here. This is 1.7424. Should be 1.74. Anyway, I don't particularly like this because what the news did in this case is to confirm that there was control. This kind of confirm that there's in control. Then we wait to sell on the 5th here. So this was this candle confirmed a sell on this day here on the 5th. Let me just based on this candle, that's why we had this nice sell here. Yeah. So I'll use this off. Let me go to NZD and see. USD, it is 4th. This is a 4th. Here, you can see if we have a bigger number here. 0.7077. I think 71 is a big round number. 705. Okay, again, no, I don't like this. Turn the USD is off. The USD is also off. Let me go to USD JPY. Date is 4th here. Okay, now let me see if we have a big number somewhere here. Now look at this. This is this candle here. This the news broke out in this candle. Yeah, this is when the news broke out. Now let me go to 15 minutes to see how we would have got this. This is when the news broke out at 15. So we should anticipate that the big round number would hold. Okay. Wait, 15. This is 15, 15, and 15:30. Here, wait, again, wait, and then here we would buy. Do not take profit up there. That's it. If that is not a good case for you, let me find another one. USD card. USD card. Today is 4th. This is, where is 4th? 4th is here. Okay, this news didn't have an impact in USD card. Let me see. Okay. This is 4th. Guys, the market being bearish or bullish is something to think about very, very carefully. And that's why you see USD card going up while USD is going down. So we have to be very smart in how we think about trends in the market. Okay, because if they always want to, a lot of liquidity lies in big round numbers. So they always want to push price in those areas. Here, for example, news broke out. Okay, yeah, this candle is doji because of news. Okay, so see what happened. This is the date. Okay, nothing clear here because it was a doji. So, but if you sold it, you make money because you know this level would hold. Let me go to SPCHF. Try to look for something. Here we go. This is 8 o'clock. I know there should be around 9 week number here. 9031. Let me say 90 and see where it gets. That's too far. About 905. Not bad at all. Because it's kind of closed. In fact, this kind of closed during the night. Probably just, but this one, I think the best candidate of USDJPY. Why? Because compared to this, USDJPY, okay, news broke out just before New York in USDJPY in this candle, okay? In USDCHF, in this candle. Okay, it is the same, okay? It is the same. Let me go to 15 minutes. Okay, look at this, guys. This is too far, no? This is too far. This one is too far. As compared to USDJPY, this was an easier trade. I mean, USDJPY was an easier trade. That's how the market moves. Always pay attention to big round numbers, whether there is news or anything. In fact, news a way that market makers use to force traders to lose money. But on the flip side, news are a very powerful tool for you to make money if you know how to use the news to your advantage. Please watch this and practice it, and let us meet on the winning side. God bless you.